Your boss is on WhatsApp. You don't want him to see that you are online at 11 p.m. on a Saturday. Here's how to hide it just from him. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, go to settings, then privacy, then last seen. You'll see four options here. Everyone, my contacts except, or nobody. We want the third one, my contacts except. Tap it. Now select the specific people you want to hide from. Like for me, I want to hide from my boss, then tap done. One more thing, right above the setting is online status. Here, the status. Set that the same way. So here we select exclude. We select the list you want to exclude. So I select again, then tap done. Set that the same way, or they'll still see when you're online in real time, even with the last scene hidden. Now they can't see when you're online or when you were last active, but your friends still can. Drop a comment, who are you hiding from? And subscribe for more privacy tips this week.